HobbyKidsTV. This is the world's biggest post-it note egg. The inventor of the world's biggest surprise eggs. Original. They're super big, super sticky post-it notes. Thank you. We got tape. We can have some fun with this. Let's make some funny faces. If I'm ever born in office, it's fun. It's fun to make funny faces with tape. Arr! And if somebody wants you quiet and you just can't stop talking, you just do this. Ooh. A classic pig nose. Craft paper stickies, and a bunch of different color Sharpies. Let's make some Minecraft stuff. That was fast. 2 pads. I didn't know that there's 2 pads. I'm gonna make Angry Pig.
What are you gonna make, Hobby Frog?
Mushroom cow face.
You're gonna make a mushroom cow face? Super cool. Oh, I think Hobby Frog won that one. Can't use your hands, you can only blow it off or shake it off. And go! Alright. We're gonna use fresh ones this time. Final round. Stick it nice and hard on your head. I can tell. There you go. Stick it nice and hard on your head. Post-it challenge, set, go! Don't use the table. Yeah, there you go, shake it up. Move your eyebrows up and down. Yeah, that'll help. Come on. It's a combination of moving your eyebrows. Oh, Hobby Pig. Oh, Hobby Pig wins.
Good game.
Good game.
Hey, it's supposed to camera. It's supposed to Polaroid.
Shake it like a Polaroid picture. Shake it.
That's a pretty good picture.
Shake it like a Polaroid picture.
Wow, that thing takes some really cool pictures. Okay, we're not doing the challenge. We're not doing the challenge. Hey.
And take a picture of you.
Let's see it. Hey, is that you?
Me?
Oh, the people watching at home.
It's a karate post-it holder. This is how you give people kung fu notes. Let's see what it can do. Look, it has a pen holder. Oh, a pen holder. That's really cool. Aw, yeah. Ah! Die! Oh.
Right on the nose.
That's it, it's my turn. Oh, yeah. It's payback time. It's a foot. Oh, why a foot? How you got a foot? Oh, ah, ow! Ow! Oh! We got to smell good markers. Ooh, I think I want to smell all of them and see what taste. We got Mr. Sketch Marker, and they smell good. It has cherry, orange, banana, mint, blueberry, grape. I'm going with mint. Why did I have to put cherry? And I'm choosing cherry. Oh my goodness, that smells really good. I can smell these all day. Smells totally like mint. And they're washable! Parents always love that. Kids love that too. Well, they don't. They're like, let's mess everything up. It smells like cherry. Let's see if it smells on the paper. It smells a little bit. When you smell it like this, it smells way better. Oh, way better than the paper. Let's try the other smells. Let's smell this. Yeah, no, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, it smells
just...
smells like strawberry, but it's cherry. Oh, it smells like mint. Oh, I love that. This one smells like banana. Blueberry. Banana. It actually smells really like banana. They smell like real fruit. Huh. Orange, not so much. A little that much. Look on my nose. No, that is banana. Okay. Oh my!
That's grape. You like grape.
It's purple.
Oh, you want green grapes? Hobby Frog, have you tried the grape?
I tried a grape and it tastes and it smells really good. Mint. It's the only one.
You said banana smelled good.
It's okay. It's a pig with a sword riding on a weird looking horse.
Oh, I thought that was a platypus.
Okay. Mine is running on a turtle. A super fast turtle. Always remember to always put the cap on back on your markers. Ooh! We can have a lot of these. That.
Let's make some cool stuff with paper clips.
I agree. 3 paper clips fighting for a paper clip.
Look, I made Mr. Paperclip.
Oh, that's awesome.
You know what's funny is then you can make him Mrs. Paperclip by giving him this cute purse. Boom, Mrs. Paperclip.
I didn't do that on purpose.
Wow,
My
you
brain
used your
just-
imagination. Now he's a puppet.
Hey, yo, guys, what's up?
What do you think paperclip people eat for lunch?
I eat paper.
Paper? That's what I was thinking.
And I'm in the pool. I'm in
A pool of paper clips.
Hey, you got it.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Paperclip.
Are you fancy?
I'm not a fancy paperclip if that's what you're asking.
I am not fancy. I go in a hot tub day and night. I even sleep in a hot tub. That's why I get waterlogged a lot.
Wow, waterlogged.
That's why I faint all the time.
Oh my.
We should give this to Hobby Mom. She loves hearts.
Let's make some love notes for Hobby Mom. It's always good to give notes to the people we love.
Since these are Post-its, we could stick them somewhere where she'll find them. Aw, that's so awesome.
This is I love you.
Oh, that's so cute. He drew a picture of a pig and a frog and Hobby Mom. Come on, let's go give him Hobby Mom.
Ooh, these are fun because you can make it look like things are talking.
I'm a ham.
I'm a ham.
Oh, stop it, overactor.
No more food, please.
I heart Legos. That is so you.
Just tell people to put our names on something. Here's one way to drive somebody crazy. Can I play with your toys? You have to sign this to show me that you won't break my toy. So sign here, 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 and here, and there, and right here. Okay. Now while you're signing that, I'm gonna go play with my toys. Don't forget to initial right there. Oh, rubber bands! These are really fun. Because you can have rubber bands, like
There's a lot of cool stuff you do with rubber bands. Let me see some.
it's gonna be.
Take a rubber band, and you put it through itself. Look,
What is it?
then you do it again. You can keep going forever. You can make the longest rubber band rope ever. Let me show you how it's done. Get a rubber band, you put it through like this, and then you put it inside of itself here. It's like crocheting. Look at that.
Looped them.
Yeah, look at that.
Can you make one for me, please? If you do a rubber band fight, make sure you don't hit anybody in the eye. Ow! How about that? Oh.
Whoa, it's a super band-aid. Ow. It's a super rubber band.
We got a cap pop up. Oh, that's a cute way to hold it. Let's see what's inside this time. Alright. Oh, a fish. Totally ate a fish. Wow. He eats stuff and turns it into paper.
What else is in his tummy?
Let's see what else is in this tummy. Oh. I'm glad it's not another. It's just yarn. Cats like to play balls with it. Me too sometimes. Or a ginormous ball. Nice. Wow. He ate a mouse and turned it into a piece of paper. Wow, he ate a bird. He ate a singing bird. Must have been having a good time, but then a cat ate it. It's trying to eat me! It's trying to eat me! It's trying to ah! No! Bobby Pig! Bad kitty! Are you alright? No! What's Bobby Pig? Oh, hey, I can hear that. Mush it up into a piece of paper. Oh wait, that's what happened! Oh, I think my look at Hobby Pig. I'll make you transport it back to here. Dinosaur stickers! I like dinosaurs. Let's play with Post-its and these dinosaur stickers. Super cool. We got neon flags. Let's highlight important.
My iPod's important.
Well, Hobby Pig is important.
Hey, it's very important. Very important too.
Wow, I feel so important. Lemons are so important.
Boy, those lemons have been through a lot.
Hobby Pug is important.
Our subscribers are important, huh?
Yeah. Wow, it's a big face.
Even bigger post-it. What we're gonna do is this. I got it.
All right, who can get that Post-it off the most? You can't use your hands, you gotta shake it off. Ready, set, go! Oh, Hobby Pig won.
Good game, good game. Whoa, whoa, whoa. My hand feels like spaghetti.
Wow, this is a giant post-it. I think this is the world's biggest.
Yeah.
Hobby Pig, what superhero do you want to be?
Yeah. I get the biggest.
I'm Batman.
What superhero do you want to be? Superman? We've got Superman versus Batman. Ready? Go! If you like Hobby Pig and Hobby Frog's awesome Batman Post-it costumes, give us a thumbs up. Oh, slow motion battle.